Meanwhile, the councillor for the Luardas Vale Division in St. Catherine, Hugh Graham, is this evening calling for the removal of the word pen from the names of several communities across the parish. Speaking at the municipal meeting on Thursday, Mr. Graham said the word pen places a stigma on residents living in communities like Marchpen and Tosspen.
I believe that animals and pen are synonymous, but for people, it is not a nomenclature or a word that should be connected to people. I am sure living in one of these pen places, as I call them, and you have enough example of all the pens. I don't have to name them, but I don't believe that can be good for anyone to even going for a job and saying that you're from this pen or that pen.
Pointed out that the name was part of colonialism and should be changed as the country moves towards growth and development.
Changing the new Jamaica to exemplify what we would like to be and not to keep looking behind from where we're coming from.
Mr. Graham is suggesting that pen be replaced with gardens, meadows, or place.